Okay, this is AP Precalc 2.9, practice problem number 13. So the directions listed above is for the given data, construct a plot using a logarithmic scale using the given bases. Be sure to label your axis and show your math. So I'm going to start by labeling my axis the same way they did in the videos. So logarithmic scale. This time it's a base of 2 as listed over here. And now we're going to construct the plot. So since it's base of 2, we're going to do 2 to the 0, 2 to the first, 2 to the second, 2 to the third, 2 to the fourth, 2 to the fifth, 6th, 7th, and 8th. Now that we have our plot laid out, and we plot like this, by the way, so the data is not all bunched together in one spot, but also, so like let's say we have a very wide range of data, you can plot it out a little bit wider like this using logarithms. It's pretty interesting, actually. Okay, so now we're gonna have to take the log of all of these, but of base 2. So we're going to hit the math button. It's right under this green alpha button. And you're going to go down past 7, 8, 9, 0, A or log base is the button you're going to want to hit. And then you'll have your base setup. So base of 2. And I'm going to input being errors per section 5. So the base of 5, I get 2.3219. So a little bit before 2.5 would be bean. We're going to repeat this process for all of these and plot it out until we have all of our points. So 2 and 68 get 6.0874. So just above 6 would be breast, math, log base, 2, 24, 4.58 for, okay, I'm not, I actually should round, so it'll be 50, because I'm rounding 4 decimal places and it's 9.6, so I need to round up to 5, so 4.5. So right in the middle, right there, would be Sullivan. On a test, you can abbreviate these. I prefer not to abbreviate them just so I can kind of get a more visual idea of what I'm laying out here, of all the people, my X and Y's, but it's up to you and what works for you. Now Kelly is 15 errors, 3.9069, because 8, 9, I'm rounding 4 places. So 3.9 right before 4 would be Mr. Kelly or Miss Kelly. And then we have a new teacher. Sounds like a plot setup for a movie or something. Okay, log base of 2 and 300 errors per section be 8.2288. So a little bit above 8 would be new teacher. There's our plot. If it was a base of 10, you could just use the log button. Because it's a base of 2, use the math button to get where you need to go. If we lay this out on a different, like if we lay this out otherwise, we'd have a really large scale. If we did it linearly from 5 to 300, we'd have to do like, let's say we went by 10s all the way up. It'd be a really wide scale and all these points would be very far from each other. Well, these are closer and a bit more readable, so we can say, oh, the new teacher is making a lot more errors than the rest of these guys, which kind of average out over here. So it's a better way of looking at data, which is why we use a logarithmic scale. And that's that. Thank you for watching.